Hi guys, everyone. I hope all is well. Today I make a special video for the Facebook user, especially who very tried about to Facebook too much ad coming in during you watch any special video, any other works in social media, especially Facebook. So too much tried about ad. So today I solve your problem about promotion, someone ad companies, other products, and today I will make a video specially content for the Facebook user. Let's now. First of all, you go to Facebook setting, and you go to Meta account center after, and after you click to add performance, and after you go to add performance account section, and here you see all applications means add active in your account. So let's you want see if all you all see here all account product ad in running in your videos in your Facebook. So you see here easily, or if you want to manage, if you want to click and remove all, so you see first of all you go and you see here and downstairs is available head ads. So you easily here click and you see this one. You can save a report on this ad also available. There's 3-4 option, but you means you can choose head unhead. Means if you want to choose to unhead, then never this one ad showing on your Facebook account during you any watch videos and others. So never again showing to that one ad if you again unhead. So if you don't if you not subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more information in new videos, and never forget to feedback in comment section and giving to stars. And I will hope this video is very interesting for you and your half problem solve about ad centers. So more videos and more notification, you press the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am new YouTube channel creators, video content about social media and about video creating, ad creating, photography, and also making 3D profiles, 3D logo. So contact me if you want to any about information social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, X, and YouTube especially. So please contact me. I help you, but this is problem I think solve your 100% after you watch this video, because the this one also before too much try you see the very easily you want to head. So it's okay, this maybe take up 24 hours, means 24 hours after this will not running in your background videos. so easily removed. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and for more information and notification new video, please